Hey everybody, how's it going? Dom here from Formal Debut, and on today's show we are going to do the first wash on the Mustang after applying the ceramic coating. So let's go ahead and get started. All right everybody, so like I said, what we're going to do today is we are going to do the first maintenance wash on the Mustang after we applied the ceramic coating. We applied Clean by Pan the Organizer 3-year ceramic coating. It takes about 7 days to fully cure. So today it's been about a week and a half, so the car's pretty dirty. So we're going to do a full maintenance wash on the car. Once we have the car perfectly clean, we're going to check the hydrophobic properties. We're going to see how water beads and sheets off the surface. We're going to look at the gloss. We're going to look at the slickness, and we're going to see how Pan's coating did after a full week of curing. So let's go ahead and start this maintenance wash. All right, so as always, we're going to start with the wheels and tires. So we have P&S Brake Buster. We're going to start by spraying down the tire. Detail Factory tire brush to scrub the tires. They should be clean, and we shouldn't need to reapply Dark Side only a week after. Next, we're going to spray the wheel down with P&S Brake Buster. We're going to use a Speedmaster wheel barrel brush. CarPro wheel mitt. Detail Factory soft bristle brush. All right, let's go ahead and start by foaming down the car. So today we're using P&S Frostbite Snow Foam. The coating is already rejecting a lot of the snow foam, so it's even trying to beat up the snow foam. So let's go ahead and get our first rinse and see how the hydrophobics are before we even clean the car. All right, so the hydrophobics are absolutely insane, and we have not even cleaned the car yet. The water beading and sheeting is absolutely incredible. All right, so let's get the car foamed down again, and we'll go ahead and do our wash and get an idea of our slickness, and we'll see how slick the surface is during the contact wash. All right, so now that we've taken a look at the hydrophobics, which are already incredible, we haven't even cleaned the car yet, just on that initial rinse. So right now we're gonna get some impressions of how slick the surface is with the wash stage. We're gonna see how easy it is to clean and how slick the surface actually is with the ceramic coating on. All right, so for the wash step today, we're gonna use P&S Pearl and a Rag Company microfiber wash pad. This coating feels like absolute glass. And you can see that the coating is rejecting even the soap from the wash mitt. Yeah, this coating is absolutely slick as glass. It feels like I'm rubbing on a glass surface. So far, this coating is insanely impressive. The hydrophobics are unmatched. Slickness is wonderful. It is cleaning up super, super easily. All right, let's go ahead and rinse it. We'll see how the water behavior is after the wash. clean. The water behavior is absolutely insane. The water beading and the water sheeting is incredible. So far, this coating is incredibly impressive. So, final thoughts. What do I think after completing the first wash on the Mustang after the 3-year ceramic coating by Pan the Organizer? I am incredibly impressed. I think it did fantastic. Water was beating off the surface before we had even cleaned the car. The car was coated in a layer of dust and dirt, and it still repelled the water. The hydrophobics are fantastic. The slickness level is absolutely fantastic. It is going to make this car incredibly easy to clean in the future. The wash pad absolutely just glides across the surface. Very little friction, very little water retention on the surface. And finally, gloss. The car looks stunning. I mean, on a black car, it looks absolutely fantastic. The gloss pops. The shine and the gloss and the depth is absolutely incredible. So on Clean by Pan the Organizer, 3-year ceramic coating, the performance of this product is absolutely fantastic. You should absolutely take a look if you're looking for a DIY level ceramic coating. It is super easy to apply, as we saw in our last video covering this coating. Link will be in the description. The results are absolutely fantastic. This coating has some of the perks of a professional level ceramic coating available to the DIYer at a DIYer's price tag. It is a game changer. So that's all I have for you today. As always, for Formal Debut Detailing, my name is Dom. I'll see you guys on the next one.